You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town, or is it a city in Belgium? It's also fairly famous for its football club. So locally in Belgium, in the Flemish language that is spoken locally, which is kind of similar to Dutch, it is said as Genk. Genk. Genk is how it's pronounced. So this sound doesn't exist in English, so I would suggest Genk maybe. Genk is how it's pronounced. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.